How to find the right replacement battery for your laptop. There are two ways to locate the right replacement laptop battery. Before starting, be sure your laptop is powered off. The first method, remove the battery from your laptop. This is normally located at the bottom or back of the laptop, as seen here. If your laptop has a battery lock, you will need to unlock the battery for the laptop by locating and flipping a switch similar to this one. If you have a laptop that does not have a removable battery, please follow the correct instructions on how to open your laptop. Once you've unlocked the hinge and removed your laptop battery, search the battery for a battery part number, as seen here. Take this battery part number and check it against the compatibility list, as some batteries are compatible with many laptop models. The second method. If you have a laptop battery that does not have any part number on it, then search your laptop for a serial number located somewhere on the back of the laptop. Once you've located this serial number, you should see a laptop make and model number. Once you've located the laptop make and model number, check it against our compatibility list. An example of a make and model is a Dell Inspiron 1545, HP Pavilion DV6, or Apple MacBook Air, just to name a few. Note, if you have an Apple laptop and don't know the actual laptop battery number, since most Apple laptops do not have removable batteries, the part number starts with a letter like A or M. Make sure you enter not only the make and model number like Apple MacBook Air, but the year it was made as well to locate the correct replacement battery. We hope this helps, and see our other instructional videos on how to install your new laptop battery for optimal performance.